the iKonex X7 Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the iKonex X7 Earbuds. They feature dual drivers and options to personalize the faceplates. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and cleaning sticks. Opening the box, you will see 3 different colors for the faceplate. And beneath that, you have the case, ear tips, and the earbuds. The X7 features 9 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case. It takes about 1.5 hours to charge via the USB-C cord and 4 hours via wireless charging. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, dual titanium drivers, 6 and 10 millimeters, and it has CVC for noise reduction, touch controls, interchangeable faceplates, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX6 sweat and water resistant. The case is a little bit on the larger side due to the form factor of the earbuds to house the ear hook design. It's light and plastic all around with the iKonex branding on the top. The lid feels tight and it's easy to open. On the side of the case is a USB-C charge port, and on the front you have the charge status LED for the case. Inside the case you will find additional LEDs for the charge status of the earbuds, and on the back of the lid is a handy list of shortcuts for the touch controls. There is also an adapter for the USB side to make it a USB-C from end to end. The earbuds are easy to remove from the case, and you can see the charging contacts inside. The X7s have the ear hook design and it's flexible. It's not too heavy at all, and you can remove the faceplate on the outside of the earbuds and at the lower part of the ear hook. There are notches to pull them out, and the touch control surface has a brush finish. Each of the earbuds have the ear hook, interchangeable ear tips, 6mm driver, 10mm driver, battery pack, microphone, interchangeable faceplates, touch controls, and status LED. And here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are pretty straightforward, and as mentioned, there's a shortcut on the lid for reference. Removing the faceplates is just a matter of pulling them off and snapping back into place. Just find the notch on each side and pull them off. They provide 3 different colors, and these are plastic with a glossy finish. They definitely provide a nice accent and unique personalization. The case comes in at 4 inches by 2.8 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 96 grams, and the earbuds come in at 19 grams. Now for some music samples followed by a microphone sample.
Picking up the pieces on a summer night, I didn't know that I
microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the iKonex X7 Earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in a bit low for my liking. Pairing the earbuds is instantaneous and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. This may vary depending on your device and the apps used. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the iKonex X7 earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. They were very comfortable and easy to put on. The foam ear tips provided a nice fit and seal. The ear hooks are flexible and it didn't feel too tight at all. The button controls were also responsive and the earbuds had no issues staying into place while running. Build-in quality is decent. The case may be a bit on the larger side and it's simple in design. The earbuds feel solid and it's durable. I like the fact that you can customize the faceplates and they provide 3 different colors in the package. The USB-C is a definite plus along with the wireless charging, and battery life is on the higher end. When it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, I felt that there was adequate bass. It was punchy and tight. Mids and highs were pretty good and there's definitely clarity as you heard from the music samples. Vocals come in nice and loud and there's decent separation. The dual drivers definitely make a difference in the sound signature. Overall, I believe these earbuds are a good option for active lifestyles, for working out, running, or just for casual listening. It provides good support and stability and some added style with the faceplates. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.